Hello, my name is Gagandeep Singh. Today I'm going to explain lab number 16, Managing VMware vSphere VAPP. So what is VAPP? VAPP is a container like a resource pool and can contain one or more virtual machines. So basically it acts as a resource pool in which we can add our virtual machines, and in addition a VAPP also shares some functionality with virtual machines. A VAPP can power on, power off, or can be cloned. So these are the basic features of VAPP. So our first step is to just go to the virtual machines, and I just want to check the state. Yeah, both the machines are power off. So this was we have to just check it, and now I'll go to the VAPP, and now I'll select and create a new VAPP, this button, and then I will perform following actions to create my new VAPP. So I've already told you there will be option clone. So as this is a functionality of VAPP, we can clone the existing one, but we have to create a new one. So we'll select this, create a new VAPP, and click next. And here I will select my ESXi host. I'm selecting 10.0.0.41 and it should be validating, and click next. And now here I will give the naming convention. It's very important. I will give VAPP-Guggen and select lab VMs as the location. Click next. So this is basically a resource allocation. I'll keep each and everything default here and click next. So it's ready to complete. All my configuration is done. I just click finish. So you can, in the recent task running, you can see the creation of VAPP. So finally my VAPP-Guggen is created. Now I'll just go to the home, vCenter, VMN templates. Now I'll just verify. Yeah, I can see my VAPP is here in the inventory. Now I will drag my virtual machine to this VAPP. So I just select this Guggen and drag it here, and again I will just drag this so you can see the starting task, and I will just drag the second machine also to this VAPP. So this process will take a little bit of time till it's dragged. I'll be back. So I have finally dragged both the virtual machine into my new VAPP-Guggen machine named Guggen1 and Guggen2. Now my second step will be to just edit the settings of my VAPP. Just right click that and click edit settings. So the edit settings, I will basically just do configuration in the start order. So just go to the start order. So here you can see the group 1, I have my machine 1, and group 2 I have my machine 2. I have just clicked this arrow 2 times. So now the group 1 contains my machine 2 and group 2 contains my machine 1. So this is the grouping is done because when I power on my VAPP, my group 1 means machine 2 will power on first, and my group 2 and that contains machine 1 will power on second. So I have just in the grouping, and in the startup sequence from 120 I have just changed it to 20 for my first machine also, and for my second machine also. This is the configuration I have done. So now the startup sequence proceeds when 26, and in the group 1 also it's 20. So both I have changed. Then click OK. So I have done all the configuration, and now I just right click it and power on. So you can see my task in the recent task is running. So it will take time. Till the time it start, I will be back. So you can see when I just power on this, VAPP-Guggen, it just automatically power on my both the machines. They are now powered on. So this was my lab, to remove an VApp, you just have to drag your virtual machines back to the host and you can delete it. So you just have to drag it and drop it onto your host, and you can easily right click it and delete it. From the all vCenter action, delete it from the disk. So this was my lab testing. Thank you for viewing it. Please provide your valuable feedbacks.